Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, Sarah earlier buys some amount of milk. Now there is 10% reduction in price of milk, and because of that, Sarah can buy 10 more liters of milk without changing her total expenditure on milk. Now if she spends $900 on milk, so we have to find the original price of milk. So let the original price of milk equals x dollars. I'm not writing dollar sign. Uh, Therefore, new price will be 10% less than the original price, so it will be x minus of 10 by 100 multiplied by x. 10 by 100 is simply 10%, so it will be x minus of, say, 10 and 100 when cancel out each other, it will become x upon 10, and we can write x upon 10 as 0.1x, so it will be 0.9x. So initial price of milk was x dollars. Now new price is 0.9x dollars. Initially Sarah bought y liters of milk. Now Sarah buys y plus 10 liters of milk, right? Therefore, but in the given question, it has been given that she spends the same amount earlier as present, right? Earlier she used to spend $900 on milk, and now also when the price has been reduced, she is paying the same amount. Therefore, our equation will become x multiplied by y, that is, original price of milk per liter is x, and total amount of milk which she bought earlier was y, so x into y. And now when the price has been reduced, so current price of milk per liter is 0.9x dollars, so 0.9x multiplied by and 0.9x, and it will become y plus 10, that is total amount of milk which Sarah buys currently, and it will be equals 900. So we can say that the value of xy is equals 900. So let's simplify it further. So 0.9 xy plus 0.9x multiplied by 10, which is 9x, will be equals 900, but xy equals 900, so 0.9 multiplied by 900 plus 9x will be equals 900. Shift 0.9 multiplied by 900 to the right hand side, so it will become 900 minus 0.9 multiplied by 900, so 900, 1 minus 0.9, which is 0.1, which will be equals 90. Divide both sides of the equality by 9, so x will be equals 90 upon 9, which is 10. So initial price was 10 liters, right? Initial price of milk equals $10 per liter, and thus this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.